Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Ako Jo. What is that? Oh. There, coming. Coming. Ding. Waiting. Where you need to go? Faster. Come. Bibi. See our guava fruits. We got guava fruits. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God. See the good things staying in the village where you can plant your own fruits. What are you doing there? Hey. This is a karipule leaf. You know, we call karipule. I don't know how that name. This is when you cook the curry, you will put this one. My goodness, smell curry very nice. See how beautiful the leaf. This is belimbing buluh. We call belimbing buluh. I don't know what it called in English. So the fruit you cannot eat just like that because it's very sour, you know. So they are going to cook with the coconut. And this is my pineapple. Run, kakak, run. Shaki get attacked by 3 stooges. Oh, 4 stooges. What are you doing? This is we call honey pineapple. Very big. Hi, stooges. Run, Shaki, run. Come, Shaki, come. Shaki, our chicken. Shaki, come. Our chicken resting at the trampoline. I hope you all not poo-poo there. Hi. Hello. Go out, Shaki. Come on, Shaki. See, all the chicken go inside the house. The chicken house. This is my chestnut trees. See, we got chestnut already. Soon we can eat the... See, we got chestnut. Oh my goodness. This is my chestnut trees. So that means this tree is already 3 years old. Because soon I move here, I plant these chestnut trees. Shaki, don't destroy my flowers, Shaki, please. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Shaki, no, Shaki, please, Shaki, don't destroy my flower. No, cannot do. No, bloody fool. Oh my goodness, this bloody Braga must stick you. I will stand here so you cannot touch my flowers. You are... Yeah. Come here. Don't. You are going to destroy my flowers, you know. We burned the old newspaper, the cat old newspaper. I love to stay in the village. One of the thing I can burn everything. No, I love to burn things. Oh my goodness. Just let Shaki free. Follow her whenever she want to go. As long that she's not picking my fruits. The lime. You know, you see the lime? You got lime. This is Malaysian flags. Salute! I think the flag need to change the new one. Where is Shaki? Oh, where you going? This is my mango trees. This is a durian trees. And this is a coffee trees. See, I plant the coffee. And of course this is my lemon. No, after 15 years only it come out. The first from the old house in Kuala Lumpur. And this is a kedondong. Yeah. I don't want to call her. Let her going where she want to go. As long as she's not going inside the jungle. Let her play, let her free. Yeah, free. Dan? Hey, Dan. Okay, let's go. Come, go in. Come on. Shaki, let's go. Go inside, come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Hi, Dik. Okay, go. Okay, go. Okay.